Welcome and thank you for joining me as I cover this technique that is extremely easy to do. Now, taking dry sections, you can choose any size you want, and roller size, I'm using small ones this time. I roll the dry hair after using a light acidifier, namely Lisop, on the hair. Then I take large sections that are not square, particularly, and I roll them with a Velcro roller, making sure that the ends especially get smoothed around the brush. Roll them down to the scalp, use a clip, a little metal clip, and just kind of affix it to the hair, much easier that way, so that it doesn't move. Now I'm just going to work my way around the front of the face, going from the top down to each side section. Then the back, I'll take even larger sections, and underneath even larger sections, just to smooth out the ends, really. That's all I'm looking to do, is smooth out the ends. So we're going to keep this really rather simple. Large section, smooth out the bottom, roll it on up, clip it in. What this is going to do is give a softer, less textured effect to the hair. It won't curl it. And you never do it on damp or dry or wet hair, just on dry hair for this technique. Now, if you use even larger rollers, you're going to get even smoother or even up to straighter results. You can also do this if you don't have a hood dryer, which is what I'm going to put her under for 5 minutes. You could also do this with a flat iron. And what you would do is you would grab the section, any section you use, heat it up by grabbing it and smoothing it out, and then putting the roller, or putting that section on a roller, rolling it up and letting it cool on the Velcro round brush. The thing you want to be careful of is not to let the flat iron get hot and then sit for a while, because then it could burn the hair. So if you were to use a flat iron, you would transfer the heat out of it if you needed to by grabbing or gripping a very clean, dry towel before using it on sections, particularly on your clients. Now, this is the kind of thing I encourage you, this whole technique, to try whilst you are using a mannequin, so you can see how it works. It gives a really nice finish, a really nice polish, and it's very easy to do. Oh, the before in the rollers, the after on the left as they go for a drive. Do you think you'll try this technique or any part of it? Well, I'd sure like to know if you do and how it turns out for you, what you liked about it. Please, any comments you can give, any acknowledgement you can give to this video is very appreciated. It helps the channel to do well. It helps the videos to do well. Please give us a thumbs up and let us know what you liked about it. And if you'd like to see anything specific, put it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to work on it. Do take care and see you next time.